So hello and welcome everyone to another video. So if you really like to continue with this series that I am starting the lead code daily discussing at 9 p.m. Okay, 9 a.m. or p.m. what you can say that morning time. So make sure to comment down that you should continue, and make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel guys. I need support to grow more. Okay, so let us discuss today's question: the longest subarray of ones after deleting one element. So it is a simple, what you can say, that modified version of longest subarray, having one or having zero or having greater than some value. What you can say that kind of question. Simply the modification is delete one element. So you just need to understand it. Okay. I will be going to give you a brief understanding of this question with this test cases and one base case that is really important in this case. Okay, or any subarray question that is one of the most important case. Okay, so given a binary nums array and you should delete one element from it. Okay, we should delete one element from it. Return the size of longest non-empty subarray containing ones in resultant array. Okay. Return 0 if no such subarray. So it simply means return the longest non-empty subarray of only one size. Okay, size of longest non-empty subarray. So you do not need to track the subarray, or you can say that you just track the longest length, then push that much element into any temporary array and return that if the case that you need to give the longest subarray with particular numbers. Okay, so that is the basic modification will be done. If any question comes in next context, it will be helpful. Okay, so let's see the first test case. First test case is simply nums equal to 1101. So you can max delete one element from it, and you need to have the longest length of only one containing one as that is simply a binary sub given array, that is it will contain either 0 or either 1. You just need to track the longest length of the subarray that is having only ones, or you can say that you can join two subarrays if they are divided by only one element that is 0 in between them. Okay, so here only one 0, so we will be delete it and simply return the length. Okay, in this case you either delete the first element and your longest length will be 5. Okay, or you can delete the 0 between these two subarray of length 3 and length 2, and it will be become length 5. So it will be optimal way to delete this one. Okay, so this is a simple another case, and here you cannot delete any element, you must delete one element. Okay, no problem. There is a case that you must delete, you should delete one element from it. It's not really matter. Okay, in the final result what you are giving, you just need to give the subarray with longest length. Okay, so let's see directly code, it will be much more easier for you. Okay, so this is the code, or the first variable length will be tracking the length of our longest subarray. Initially 0, there may be all element in the subarray is, or what you can say that given array is 0, and you should not make any sense of subarray that is containing 1. You cannot insert, you only can delete. That will be 0, not will be 1. Okay, so this is the basic understanding. This is the length of the array or size, what you can say that, or you're going to traverse from every point where you're starting from subarray at from first position, from second position, and from all other like this. Okay, so you are going to track the count of the number of 0 till encounter by cnt, and j will be the, your variable for tracking the, what you can say that, length from I to, what you can say that, what is the next number where you encounter the second 0. Okay, so simply this is the base case that is important. I will be explaining this later. First I understand the inner loop. This will be going to I to n. If here is simply that if it is 0, count will be increases. Okay, if count is 1, you have already encountered the 1 0, that means count is 1, and this element is also 0. So this means there what is our upper limit of crossing only 1 0 is cross, and you will just gonna track the length and break over here. Okay, so that is the base case, and here is also this base case is most important here, because if our, what you can say that, resultant length is much more greater than the remaining size of the array, that is n minus I, then you will break. This is the most important base case in comparison of time complexity, because it will reduce your time complexity by almost what you can say, the n square to n log n, or because if your longest subarray is from starting to end, it will only track over n by 2 elements, okay, or n by 3 elements, what you can say that, and it will simply break. So this is the most important thing. So that's all for the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.